Alright everyone, so today we're covering the two main ad platforms you have to advertise on in 2018. I started advertising these two over a year ago, and if you're not on it right now, or if you're not spending enough on it, you're really gonna miss out. So in about 2 years from now, a year from now, you're gonna look back and realize you just missed out because it was so cheap back then. So the two are Facebook and Instagram. Also within Instagram, influencers are super underpriced. So you might have heard like Gary Vaynerchuk, he talks about it so much, but if you haven't seen his stuff, I'm gonna remind you right now. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start doing this. But Facebook is super underpriced. So even right now when I'm running ads on Facebook, I'm still getting 7 cents a click, 10 cents a click, 20 cents a click, and I can tell you right now, those prices are gonna go way up in about a year from now. So that's why right now I'm just doubling down. I'm going all in, because the thing you have to realize, by a year from now the prices are going to go way up about a year or two from now. So you have to go all in on Facebook and Instagram. Whether you're building your personal brand, whether you're building your company brand, or you're trying to get clients there, or whatever you're trying to do, selling through e-commerce, Shopify. Try and build a brand and really go all in with the ads, because right now it's just super cheap. So if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, I've got a whole bunch of tutorials. I'm actually going to make a beginner to advanced tutorial probably tomorrow to show you guys really how to do it, because this is the time to do it. So for those of you that don't know, you can watch my old tutorials, but I'm also going to make one tomorrow, just doing it step by step, just in one video to show you how to do it. But yeah, if you're missing out on this, it's the exact same thing that happened with Google AdWords. So in about 2000, if you were spending on Google AdWords, it was about 5-10 cents per keyword, or per click. So you weren't paying that much. But these prices have slowly gone up. So right now, if you're looking at Google AdWords at the same keywords, you're probably looking to pay about 10 times more. The exact same thing with Facebook ads. If you remember about last year, so about a year ago, I still remember so many people would say like, all right, we can get clicks for 1 cent. We can get page likes for 0.000, I don't know, 1 cent. And these were super small numbers. So it was super cheap last year. And now, I reckon, we can get clicks anywhere from 30 cents to 50 cents, which is still super cheap. Okay, so like you can see in about a year, it's gone up, by about 40 to 50 cents per click. So that's about $4 to $5 CPM, which is per 1,000 impressions. And the thing is, over the next year, it's gonna go up even more. So now we're paying about, on average, 30 cents to $1 per click. I reckon about next year, you'll be paying anywhere from $5 to $10 per click. And if you're doing conversions, it's going to go through the roof. You're going to be paying $50 per conversion, $100 per conversion. So anything you're doing right now, if you think it's expensive, it's not expensive. It's going to be more expensive next year. So just 10x, whatever you're paying right now on Facebook ads, 10x that price, and you're going to be paying that next year. Literally, that's just how many people are going to come in. There's just not enough space on the actual Facebook news feed to actually be able to fit everyone in for such a low price, which is why it's going up. I mean, at the end of the day, Facebook, the Facebook advertising platform, it is a marketplace. Excuse me. So people are going to be bidding against each other. So when big companies start coming in, they're all going to have like millions of dollars in budgets. And if you're coming in with like $1,000 budget, $5 a day, you're not going to get any space in that. Whereas if you do it now, you are still going to get some space in, so you will be able to get some clicks. But next year, it's just going to be so expensive, because big brands are going to come in. They're going to overpay, because they can overpay, and they're just going to pretty much take up all the ad space. So if you look now on Facebook, you'll realize and you'll see that they're opening up new placements. So first it was the Facebook newsfeed, now they've done the Instagram newsfeed, and now they're going to do the Instagram story swipe ups. So if you remember, you can swipe up on the Instagram story ads. And now they're also adding in Messenger ads. So inside Messenger, you can literally place ads right there. They've got the audience network. So before you know it, they're going to run out of space unless they add in some other creative ways. But I mean, they're most likely going to add group ads soon. But before you know, all that space is going to be taken up. And once it's taken up, once it's set, that's when the prices are going to start going up. All right, because there's only so many places Facebook can really place ads before people start to get pissed off, because right now I'm on Facebook newsfeed, you're on Facebook newsfeed, and when you scroll down you're seeing ads. Then you go to Messenger, you scroll down, you're seeing ad message, and then before you know it, they're gonna place ads inside your actual chat. I hope they don't do that, but they might do that, you never know. And that's just when people are gonna get pissed off, and the price is gonna go up. So the price is really gonna go up over time. So yeah, if you're thinking about doing Facebook ads, if you're thinking about doing Instagram ads, this is the best time. If you want to build a personal brand, one of the best is to do is use Instagram swipe up ads. They are super cheap right now. Also video ads. So I recommend, what I do for my personal brand is I post a whole bunch of videos on my Facebook page. This builds up something called a custom audience of people who have watched my videos. So that means I can actually send an ad out to those people who watch my videos, and they'll see the ad and they can click on it. So I can actually target them based on how much of the video they watch. So if you're watching this right now, I could send an ad out to people who watch 5 minutes of this video. I can send an ad out to people who watch 2 minutes, 7 minutes, and then just give them more specific ads. And that way, obviously we can tailor our message to those specific people. So what you want to do is, if you want to build your personal brand, I highly recommend you go in all out now with video ads. So try and get some kind of video ads. You'll get more people. Since you want to build your brand, you want to build your following. So when it comes to building your following, the best way to do it is start with Facebook. So Facebook should build up your Facebook, post videos, get as many video views, and then you can build out that custom audience. So it's an audience of people who watch your videos. And then what you can do is you can retarget those same people on Instagram. So you want to do Facebook, then Instagram, and then YouTube or whatever. To be honest, YouTube would come at the same time as Facebook, but so you can retarget those people who watch your videos on Facebook and retarget them on Instagram. So they're gonna remember you from Facebook and say, yeah, let me follow him on Instagram as well, and you're gonna get cheap followers that way as well. So you can use swipe up ads, you can use normal ads, but the main thing is they're gonna remember you from Facebook, and that's what you want. Whereas if you went cold to Instagram, it's gonna be quite expensive. Even now it's quite expensive, even though it's kind of cheap, but it's expensive, but it's cheap. So this is just a better way to do it. You're doing the same thing, but you're gonna get it way cheaper, and you're gonna be able to do it more effectively. Because imagine you follow someone on Facebook and then you go on Instagram and you see an ad, you're most likely gonna follow them there as well if you like them, if you watch their video. Excuse me. So that's what you're gonna want to do, and it's gonna be more likely that they'll follow you if they've seen you somewhere before. So yeah, so double down on Facebook, double down on Instagram, double down on influencers. If you're doing shout outs, if you're paying for shout outs, you really want to double down on these influencers, and just because the reach that you're getting from them, they're not really charging enough for that reach. So whatever price you get right now, you're actually getting more in return. Even if you're paying $100 for a shout out, $200, the ROI you're getting in the long term is more than $200 if you really think about it. So don't be too scared to pay for influencers. They're really underpricing themselves, which is good for you. But most people don't understand it. They still think it's expensive, but it's really not expensive if you think about it. In terms of 1 year from now, 2 years from now, where one post might even be $1,000, $2,000 for accounts that might have, I don't know, 5,000 followers. They're gonna be charging these premium prices because they now understand the value of reach. So if you understand it before they do, and you pay them before they realize they're underpriced, you're gonna get a huge ROI on all of that. So so let me know which platform you're gonna focus on. Are you gonna focus on Facebook more? Are you gonna focus on Instagram more? Are you gonna build your personal brand more? Your Shopify store? Which one are you gonna build? I really want to know. So just leave a comment so I know what you're focusing on, and I can build more videos out like that over time. In fact, I'm thinking I might just make a video on how to build your personal brand with Facebook ads. That might be quite a good video. I might actually do that. Or how to build your brand, your e-commerce brand, your clothing brand, because I've done it before with various different brands. So yeah, so it's going to be quite interesting to do that. But yeah, so just leave a comment and a like, and but I'm doing daily uploads, so you don't want to miss the uploads because I'm doing them every single day. Every single day we've got new heat coming, so just hit that subscribe button, and yeah, so peace out. New video tomorrow every day, and speak soon.